First load of the day. The big JCB I usually use has become poorly. It's got a hole in the pipe halfway up the boom, so I've ordered a new pipe from JCB. That'll be here today. So we're going to use Old Faithful. Loading the first load of barley out. It's made malting grade, so this is going to get people very drunk. So this is going to Hobson's at the top side of Doncaster, and then they'll distribute it out to all the malting breweries or whiskey distillers wherever they deem it needs to go to. The liquid fertiliser for this year has arrived. They're pumping it out of the tank. Can't see it because it's see-through. Up there. And into these tanks here. 50,000 litres each. This is the new hose. Direct from JCB today. I've got to get it all the way down the boom and back and undo it from in there. That's the one that's broken. All going on here today. Very hot as well. Oh no, we've broken it again, haven't we? One of the JCBs, there's one there, one there, one down there and one there. They're alright, it's this, isn't it? So the new one is in. Sprayed oil everywhere getting it out. We had to pull it all the way down and round again. That one just there. Got to get a clamp on it now as well. Goes all the way down the boom. You can't see it very well, but yeah, wants a bit of a wash in there. And literally like that, the sun has gone away. That's over there. It's not on fire, it's the dust. He's just topping the grass. And the JCB's come to stack some bales, look. Cars in bales. Baler is going well. Lovely day, been 30 degrees today. And there are a load of tractors down there as well. Just in the last field of spring barley for here. Got this one to bale. So we're going to go and get on and bale it with a big square baler. Yesterday's straw is going in the shed. I'm using the 12 metre JCB because it's got a big boom on it to get it. Oh no, I'm not getting it right, look. And it's heavy when it's fully extended like this. Can we get that in now? There we go. Don't want to hit the back of the shed, push the back of the shed out like I've done before. There we go. Once again, it is raining, but nothing we can do about it. So I've been asked, can we remove a bee's nest from a chimney? So that's the next job on the list. So off we go and do that. We've got the 12 metre JCB with a cage, and the bees are up there somewhere. Did this last year, but they have returned. And the great thing about this cage is we can either go on it from this way or that way, so it gives us more length. So it's really good for getting in tight spots, or if we want to go like do some guttering, we'll go on here so it's longer. That's made by them lot, just there. Got a little gate there. So yeah, we can get in here with the bee suit on and then go up there. Ah yes, bees everywhere, look. He's covered. When I bring him down, it's, there's going to be bees everywhere.
Yeah, I'm going to get out of the way.
Ready? Ready to come down, yeah? Look at all the honey. There's literally bees everywhere. Look, you can just see the honey sticking out. Oh, focus. I'm not getting out of the cab. There's just, look at them, they're flying. Oh my, they're everywhere. I'm not, I've just shut the door because I've been stung in the face. So we'll get him down. So what he's doing now, oh look, there's the honey. Look at them all. So this is his hoover, and he's hoovering them all up to catch them in this little box so he can take them and rehome them somewhere in like a different hive, not in somebody's chimney. Oh, I can't quite see. Look there, we can just see through there. I daren't get out though because I've just been stung and it really hurts. And it's all starting to swell up as well. He's just putting these bands on there and putting them in a box. And we're going to have a look in a minute. And can't really see what he's doing, so I'm going to risk it for you guys. I'm going to get out the cab and risk being stung and see if we can get a better view. There they all are. Putting them in a band like that, and in they go, ready to go and be rehomed. Still got his little hoover going, look. So they're all being sucked up into there at the moment, or into that little box just there. Look at the state of the chimney, they're everywhere, aren't they? Wow. Wasp. Ow. 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 Right in my eyebrow. Ow, that hurts. Doing now, I'm cleverly disguising myself behind this wall from the bees. So if they come flying along, oh look, there's more honey. Can you see it all? He's over there, completely covered. The JCB's got them everywhere. Look at that. Look at that lovely chunk there. Don't need those bits. Yes, no bees are getting me now. There, look at it all. Oh, my eyebrow is killing me. And my lip. It really hurts. There, he's in the top of the chimney pot now, look. I would go and get closer, but I don't want to get stung again, to be honest. So he's taking that all out and putting it into that box. Just there. There it is. Keeping it all safe. Ready to be moved. Just hiding behind this wall now. I've cleverly disguised myself as the local wheelie bin. I'm next to it and pretending I'm the other wheelie bin. If I had a thingy on, if one of them suits, I could go up to it and have a look with you, but I can't really. That's it. Chimney pot is empty. Literally takes a matter of minutes to do this. Just cleaning the pot out now. And then we'll go back up and put it all back together, and the bees are all safe in those two little boxes, and they'll go and get rehomed in the next half an hour. I've just been chased again by an army of bees. So I'm walking away, and I've just had a thought. I've got to get back in the JCB to lift him back up to put the pot on with the bees flying around everywhere. So who's stupid? Me. Just walking through the local village now, and some lady stopped me and asked me if I was all right, and I said yes, I'm fine, I've been stung by bees. And then she was like, oh right. I said there's no such thing as problems, only solutions. The Tom Lamb way. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Quick. Oh god, it's okay. I've managed to kill the bee, and we're safe again. Oh no, another one, you little bastard! Where are they coming from? There's another one behind. The lady over there is laughing at me. I'm disguised as Robin Hood. Ow! I've just been stung in the cab. It hurts a lot. That is what I've just pulled out of my face. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, it hurts. Ow. They seem to like landing on the JCB yellow. There you are, look. There's another one there. Yeah, sorry mate, you ain't getting to me now. We're now starting to steam up, and I'm sweating a lot because this JCB doesn't have air conditioning. Oh, I think he wants to come down. So here I am thinking, right, we're all done. I can finally get out this cab, because I can't get out at the moment because there's just bees everywhere. I mean, look, there's one just there. They're absolutely everywhere. So I can't even get out. I'm sweating, and like I say, no air conditioning. Can't get out, can't drive off because he needs to go back up and put the chimney pot back on. So I'm probably going to be stuck in this sauna for another half an hour. But thank you all for watching. I'll let you know how, you can just see starting to swell up on my monkey head. Yeah, I think I'll see you all in the next video because, you know, it's very hot. See you all soon. Goodbye.